Katie saw an old birdcage in a consignment store a couple of weeks ago, and she thought it might make a great planter in her garden. I think she was right. She bought the cage and we took it to Ace Hardware, took it right into the garden center so we could figure out what plants to buy. Then we took it home, repurposed it, and planted it. After Rich removed the interior pieces that originally held bird food and water, Katie put a coconut pot liner in the bottom and they filled it with potting soil. We started by planting coleus in the back that we let trail out through the bars of the cage, followed by white angelonia and some penstemon. In the middle, we put another gorgeous orangey pink coleus, and then a pink angelonia, a purple Swedish ivy, and in the front we put 2 trailing Japanese jasmine. Katie and Rich moved the whole thing into place, leveled it up, and staked it down using U-hooks. It makes quite a statement in their front bed, don't you think?